In this guide, I'm going to show you all of the egg locations here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, eggs can spawn on different islands and despawn, so you do need to move quickly and check multiple spots. If it's not in a specific spot for you, just go ahead and circle back to it later because it may spawn in throughout the server time. But the first place I recommend checking is on Jungle Island. Once you get on Jungle Island, if you just look like right next to where that portal is, there's going to be an egg location kind of in this tree. Simply interact with it, you'll be good to go. Next, head to Snow Island, and there's two different spawns for Snow Island. You can either go ahead and just head straight this way, and you'll see it over in this tree, just like so, or it can also go ahead and spawn down kind of towards where this little artifact NPC is. If you just make your way up on top of this area, you'll see it either right down here or up here. After that, make your way over to Sailor Island, and once you're at Sailor Island, climb to the very top of Sailor Island, just like so. Way up here, and it's going to be up the top just like so. You can interact with it. That'll claim that one for you. From here, you need to make your way over to Shinjuku Island, so go ahead and teleport here. And this one's a little bit interesting because you actually have to check inside specific buildings, specifically on the second floor of the building. So if you go ahead and look at some of these buildings right here, you can actually go inside of them just like so. Go ahead and check these locations to see if they do spawn there. You can also check up on top of the roofs to see if they spawn up here as well. This is probably the hardest one to find, but if you just look inside the buildings, you'll find this location pretty quickly. From here, go ahead and make your way over to Desert Island, and this egg actually spawns straight up on top of this big old tower right here. However, this one does despawn, so just make sure you claim that one fast. Finally, go to Judgment Island, and you need to go ahead and make your way over to the far corner close to where the boss itself spawns. It's going to be right behind this little, mountain little structure in this corner, so go ahead and check there. Now the only thing that's left in terms of eggs is going to be the two that spawn from the bosses, and these ones are a little bit interesting. They're considered boss eggs. In order to get these to spawn, you need to make your way over to Boss Island, and you need to farm bosses pretty consistently. Now you can make it easy and just do the night boss and just keep auto spawning them in just like so. And after you take out this boss pretty significantly, it's going to pop up with a page that says a boss egg just spawned. That's when you're going to want to check those locations that you weren't able to get earlier. So just keep that in mind. It really is as simple as that though. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.